Can you retire comfortably with $240,000? Most people would say no. But today, I'm going to show you an easy and safe option strategy that could allow you to retire sooner than you ever thought possible. Imagine having a strategy that generates consistent monthly income, so you don't have to worry about running out of money in retirement. See, most people run out of money before they run out of month, and that's especially crucial during retirement. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use covered calls to turn a $240,000 portfolio into a reliable income stream without taking crazy risks. And the best part, you don't need to be a stock market expert to make this work. Let's dive in. Most people think you need at least $1 million to retire comfortably. But what if I told you that there was another way? The traditional 4% withdrawal rule only gives you about $800 a month on a $240,000 portfolio. That's barely enough to cover basic living expenses, right? I mean, I don't know about you, but I can't live on that. And so relying on Social Security alone, that's a risky bet too. So instead of slowly draining your savings, what if you could take that $240,000 and make it work for you month after month and year after year? That's exactly what covered calls allows you to do. You see, covered calls are one of the safest and easiest ways to generate income from stocks that you already own or that you may own. Think of it like renting out a house, like an Airbnb, for example. You buy it, you still own it, but you get paid for letting someone else use it for a set period. With stocks, you sell a covered call, which is essentially an agreement to sell your shares at a certain price in exchange for upfront cash. That's called a premium. Here's how it works step by step. Number one, you buy at least 100 shares of a solid and exciting stock. Number two, you sell a covered call at a strike price slightly above your purchase price. Now, this is just one of the strategies that I teach. I also teach in the money and at the money strategies as well. But in this case, we're going to just do it slightly above our purchase price. We collect the premium as instant income, and we repeat this process monthly to get steady cash flow. Now, this strategy allows you to earn money whether the stock moves up, down, or sideways. And if the stock gets called away, you make money and you repeat the process with a different stock. Now let's break down some real numbers so that you can see exactly how much you could make with this strategy. So let's say you decided to divide the whole $240,000 into three components. You could put $80,000 in stock A, $80,000 in stock B, and $80,000 in stock C. With covered calls, you can typically earn around 1% to 2% a week or 2% to 4% a month on your portfolio. At least that's how I teach it. And so your projected income on 1% in a month is $2,400 per month. A 2% is $4,800 and a 4% is $9,600 per month. Now that's enough to cover rent, groceries, some travel without dipping into your principal. So I want to give you an example of how this works. So I'm putting on the screen here a stock called Allstate, a company called Allstate. We know what Allstate is. They're an insurance company. It's not that exciting, but it is a pretty solid business, and this is a red market. I like to have the market moving in our direction, but in this case, the stock is really outperforming the market very well. And so I'm looking at a weekly chart, and I see this company has been consolidating. The stock has been consolidating, between 180 and let's call it 210 for a couple of months. So it's ready to break out. I think when we get a good market, we get a breakout on this company. So I look at the daily and I go, okay, we're at a good spot on the chart for a breakout. It's a good solid company. I'm not sure it's that exciting, but it's not unexciting. Insurance is pretty good. It's stable anyway. And so I look at this price of 209.88 and I go, well, it's slightly above that price of 209.88, maybe a little bit below it today. Anyway, it's right around its breakout price. I like the fact that it's about to break out. So, and I don't know if it's going to break out or not. I really don't. But I think it is. And so I'm going to play it to the upside, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up what's called an option chain. And so I bring up an option chain and I pull up the options that are call options. Those are the ones that we want to move up, right? These are the ones that move up. And so this goes out 30 days. So that's a month. So let's say we buy the stock at 207.88. So let's write down that number, 207.88, which is the current market price. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find an option, and I'm going to find an option that has, a couple of percent in juice, right? And that's this column here called extrinsic value. That's another word for juice in my vocabulary, right? And so extrinsic value means time premium. that is the premium that you get for selling this out of the money. So the stock is at 207.75, and so we're going to sell the option that goes out 30 days, and we're going to sell the option that goes the 210s here, right? Because they're just slightly out of the money. It's the next strike price above. And for that, we are going to pick up $5.75 in juice. So we're going to write down $5.75. That's also the premium that we're going to get. That's our income. The $5.75 is the amount we're going to get. The $207.88 stock price is our investment into the asset. Kind of like if you're buying that Airbnb, how much do you pay for the house? That's the investment into the asset. And then how much income are you getting? Of course, no strategy is completely risk-free. So let's talk about how to minimize risk of covered calls. First of all, you want to choose a solid and exciting stock. Second, you want to sell calls at conservative strike prices to avoid that forced selling. And third, you want to roll your calls forward if you need to keep earning income. The key is to focus on consistency rather than chasing high risk, high reward trades. So are you ready to start? Here's what you need to do. Step 1, open up a brokerage account with options trading approval. Nothing fancy, just some basic options trading approval. Step 2, you're going to pick 2 to 3 solid stocks from or for your retirement portfolio. Step 3, you're going to sell your first covered call and collect your premium. I call it squeezing the juice, collecting the income on that. And step 4 is you're going to track your performance, and you're going to repeat that process every single month. Now, once you start seeing some of these income deposits rolling in, you'll realize how powerful a strategy this is. Retirement doesn't have to be stressful, and you don't need $1 million to make it work. With just $240,000 and a solid covered call strategy, you can generate consistent income and enjoy financial peace of mind. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart investing strategies. And if you want to dive deeper, check out my free masterclass that we have linked below. And if you would, drop a comment. Tell me what your biggest concern is about retiring early. I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.
Hi, Mark Yagi here, wealth architect and author of this book on my covered call investing system called the Cash Flow Machine. Listen, what you just saw is just one part of creating reliable income of 2 to 4% a month from the stock market. But you know, if it were that easy, then everyone would do it, right? If you want to learn how I create investment income the right way, then you need to learn and have a system with rules and what-if strategies so that you can learn what I do when the market goes against me, what I do when the stock goes against me, how to adjust my trade so that it's always in a winning position, how much to risk, how to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio that creates income of $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 a month in semi-passive income. And best of all, the whole cash flow machine system takes less than an hour a week to implement. Just go to cashflowmachine.io to learn more, or click this link for more videos, masterclasses, and free resources. See you there.
Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.